Ultratech Best Practices in Construction Series. Use of two-part cube. Ultratech Best Practices in At Ultratech RMC we ensure accuracy of cube testing at every stage for proper assurance of product quality. Some of the processes adopted reflect our team's continual innovation and customer centricity. Here is a two-part cube mold which is much more robust and effective in making accurate cube samples compared to the traditional four-part molds. The molds can be easily dismantled with much lesser efforts and manpower. The design assures that 90-degree corner angles and dimensions of cube are not deformed during demolding and assembly process. We also recommend the use of electrically operated spanners to minimize the activity time and labor requirement. Let's walk through the steps which are recommended for assembling to demolding. Step 1. Assembly of cubes. Place the cube mold on an elevated working platform, approximately 3 feet high for ergonomic working conditions. Use an electric spanner to unscrew 4 bolts on the sides and 2 bolts on the bottom plate. Carefully remove the cube molds from the platform. Step 2. Reassembly of molds. Remove any slurry accumulated at joints and on the bottom plate. Apply fresh formwork oil to all surfaces using a brush, ensuring thorough coverage. Securely screw the bolts on the sides and bottom plate to reassemble the molds, ensuring they are clean and free from debris. Step 3. Cube casting by table vibrator. Table vibrator is an easy-to-use equipment for efficient cube casting. Fill the molds with freshly mixed concrete in 3 layers, compacting each layer using the vibrating table to ensure proper compaction and air void removal. After filling, use a straight edge to strike off excess concrete, ensuring a level surface. Store the filled molds in a place free from vibration and at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius for 24 hours from the time of addition of water to the dry ingredients. After the initial curing period, mark each specimen and remove them from the molds. Use lifting clamps designed for handling concrete specimens to insert the cubes into curing tanks. Carefully lift each cube using the lifting clamps and lower them into the curing tanks.